side note here. This is my red maple. Can we see that? Is that the beginning of some? Is that the beginning of some buds? Wow. Maybe spring is ready to come. Because if these guys start putting out their pollen soon, that's going to be wonderful.
Down in Pennsylvania, there's a little bee farm where the honey's sweet and the bees are warm. Oh yeah, every summer day they're buzzing around, making golden honey that'll leave you spellbound. Buzzing in Pennsylvania, bees in the air. They're busy as can be, they don't have a care. Singing sweet melodies, dancing along. Come on down to the bee farm, join in the song.
Hey, well, this is my first day out to check out the bees. It was been so cold for over a month, about a month, and still was just now had another warm day. I think last week there was a small day where it got up to be around 40 around here. Today it's going to be around 49, and haven't been out to check the bees yet. Hoping I got some bee activity this warm day. Definitely I won't be beating on the sides of the hives today. Don't want them to break cluster as much. But one great thing is we are supposed to have a week of some more warm weather coming. So maybe the cold freeze is going to be over now. I'm glad for that. And maybe I'll get rid of this flavor saver, and but mainly for the bees. Well, let's go out and see if we can. Oh, I do see one. I see one hive moving. That makes me so happy. So happy. All right, let's go see if I can see what we got going on. Checking the weight. And okay, let's see what we got. Flip this around. Oh yeah, there is some bee activity out there. Oh, I'm happy. Wonder how many I've lost. Oh, here's some flying around here. Oh yeah, there we go. Pooping everywhere. It's a good poop day. Yeah, but definitely a good poop day. Just hang the hat there for now, in case I need it. So what do we got going on here? Got some bees coming out, hanging out in the warmth a little bit. Hanging out on the front door. First one. There's a lot of bee activity. We'll check the weight. Oh, that still feels really good and heavy for right now. Let's see all the poop on top of the lid. What do we got going on in there? Yeah, I'm not going to be breaking into them too much. I'm not sure if this one's alive. There's some bees on the outside, so I'm assuming there could be. I don't want them to break cluster on that hive. So let's go to hive number 2. Oh, I wonder if there's any activity here at hive number 2. Think there's anything going on in this hive? All right, well, that means I don't need to crack the top, obviously. But I do want to get a weight, check on the weight of the box. Grab it here, and oh, thank God, that feels so heavy. That's great. And this one here, I don't think this one's been empty. And then that one over there, number 1, 2, 3, 4, that was a nuke that went out from the winter, before fall. Okay, so here's some activity in this one. This would be hive number 5. A 5 spot, definitely some activity going on there. Like I said, I'm not even going to crack the tops because all I want to do. Oh, yeah, that's a double box. It's still heavy. We got some activity on hive number 6. I don't know. It might be. Let me get a lift. Oh wait, no, this is the dead hive. This was the one that was dead. That's right. I forgot about that. Yep, there's nothing in that. So this means hive number 7. Yeah, they're cleaning out the dead. They'll be doing that for a few days now. I get a, oh my God, look at them all. It looks like they found a way in there. Oh, I don't have my mask on either. Be gonna wait. Yeah, that one I may have to come out and give that some emergency feed. I'm not sure. Maybe if that one even made it. They're being robbed out. Okay, they're flying around my face because I'm gonna put my mask on. Just because don't want to. Being stung is one thing, but I don't want to be stung in the face. I don't care about my hand or anywhere else. All right. We'll just switch these up. There we go. But I don't want to break them apart either way. Covered full of hives. So this would be 7. That's 8 spot. And this is 9 spot. 9 spot. There's nothing in that one. Here's 10. Oh, look at 10. 10's really busy. And that's 3 stories. Take a check around the back and see what we got here. Oh, yep, bouncing off my hand. Oh, God, I can barely lift that. I can barely lift that hive. So that tells me that it's heavy. I couldn't barely lift that. All right, and this is a dead nuke. I think there is some honey in there though. They'd probably like to rob that out. So what do we have there? It's 10, 11, hive number 12, 13 and 14 in the back. All right, well, let's see what we got going on here. Look at this leaning tower of Venus. Obviously, there's bee activity on this one, which is good. And 13, there's bee activity on 13, which is also great. Now, let's check 13 for weight. Yeah, very good and heavy. Let's check 12 for some weight. Yeah, very good and heavy. Very good and heavy. All right. Wonderful. All right, so the only one I'm worried about then is this one up here. See, now this could be raiding right here, robbing, whatever. Oh, look at that poor guy. You fell down in there and you melted into the snow. Yeah, see, this could be robbing. Let's take a quick peek. Bee activity in there. Wonderful. So there are bees in there. This is probably robbing, looking for some food to try to get in to get some. But let's check the weight again. Oh, hi, baby. Look at this. Huh, flew off. Now, why am I getting resistance? It feels... Let me see. Let me just check the weight again. Yeah, this one I'm going to have to put something in. All right, so that's good to know. This one I most definitely... I'm going to put all this stuff up here on it. Let me know exactly which one it is so I don't forget. Come off there. It's still frozen. It's still frozen. Snow in there. Oh. All right, but here we go. All right, I'm going to do all this. Weirdness. So this hive is definitely marked. All right, so every other hive is looking good, but that one. Now that even could be dead. It could just be robbing out activity that's going on in there. So, real quick check. Let me triple check here real quick. This one, nothing there, there. That one was gone before winter. That one was good. There, nothing there, back there. Yeah, so, well, so far, it looks like all of my bees have made it through winter, so far. It's still early. And that's why I need to check that hive right there. I'll need to go in and get me some emergency feed for that. Okay. All right, well, this is great. So this is a good look at what's going on so far in the bee yard. All right, well, as always, everybody, take care. God bless, and we will see you soon. Bye-bye.
In the fields of Pennsylvania. and the bees hum a melody nobody knows.